The sound of my alarm clock echoes through the quiet room at exactly 6 o'clock. My hand instinctively reaches out from under the blanket, fumbling to silence it. For a moment, I lie still, staring at the ceiling, gathering the energy to face the day. Another morning, another routine, but there's something comforting in its familiarity. I swing my feet off the bed and stretch. The cool tiles under my feet wake me up fully. I shuffle to the washroom to brush my teeth, my thoughts still half asleep. The mirror reflects a sleepy version of me, and I splash cold water on my face to clear the fog in my mind. The kitchen is my next stop. I boil water for tea and prepare a simple breakfast, 2 slices of toast and an egg. The smell of tea fills the air, and I sip it slowly, enjoying the warmth. My mornings are quiet, a time to think and plan for the day ahead. By 7 o'clock, I'm dressed and ready for college. My bag is packed with books, a notebook, and the essentials I'll need. I glance at the clock and realize I'm a little behind schedule, so I rush to grab my shoes and head out the door. The walk to the bus stop is one of my favorite parts of the day. The streets are waking up, with shopkeepers opening shutters and children heading to school. The air is crisp, and the faint chirping of birds accompanies me. I board the bus, find a seat by the window, and watch the world pass by. College is a blend of excitement and monotony. My first lecture starts at 8 o'clock, and I quickly settle into the classroom. The teacher walks in, carrying a pile of books, and begins the lesson. Sometimes I'm engrossed in the subject, and other times my mind wanders, imagining far-off places and dreams I haven't yet dared to pursue. By noon, the hunger pangs are real. The college canteen is a bustling place, filled with students laughing, chatting, and sharing stories. I grab a plate of rice and curry, my usual choice, and sit with my friends. This is the best part of the day, bonding over jokes, discussing assignments, and planning the weekend. The afternoon lectures feel longer than the morning ones. The clock seems to tick slower, and my attention wanes. But I remind myself why I'm here. Each class is a step toward my future, a foundation for the life I want to build. By 4 o'clock, college ends, and I head back home. The journey back is quieter. I often plug in my earphones and listen to music or scroll through my phone. Sometimes I reflect on the day, what I learned, what made me laugh, and what I could have done better. At home, I change into comfortable clothes and take a moment to rest. The evening is for studying, finishing assignments, and preparing for the next day. But it's not all work. I also spend time with my family. We sit together for dinner, sharing stories and laughing about little things. After dinner, I have some time for myself. I read a book, watch a show, or just scroll through social media. The day begins to wind down, and I feel a mix of satisfaction and anticipation. Before I sleep, I take a moment to jot down my thoughts in a journal. It's a habit I've developed, a way to clear my mind and capture memories. I write about the funny moment with my friend, the difficult question in class, and the small joy of the walk to the bus stop. By 10 o'clock, I'm in bed, the blanket pulled up to my chin. The lights are off, and the world outside is quiet. I close my eyes, thankful for the day and hopeful for tomorrow.